Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Pentair Superflow VS variable speed pump when the Ext Control Only light is on. Okay, when that's on, you can press buttons, nothing's really going to happen, it's not going to start. And it's going to be a simple fix. Before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please check out my other videos. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it when I post another video. So this is going to be really quick and really fast. Here is some instructions. It's not going to tell you how to do it there. Not sure why they don't have that in there. You're going to want to press the start stop button one time until that light goes out. Then you're going to hold it down. So I just pressed it again. Now the Ext Control Only light has gone out. So what I did was I pressed it one time, the start stop button, so that light goes out. Then I hold the button down probably 3 to 5 seconds, and then the Ext Control Only light will go off. So now it should boot up fine and everything's good to go. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.